Jadda's kitchen. Don't throw away the stem of the pumpkin. You can use the stems in other craft projects like this cloth pumpkin. You want to remove the pumpkin away from where the stem is. You can use any size pumpkin. You can use the stem from a jack-o'-lantern or even pumpkins that have been smashed. You're going to place your pumpkin stem on a baking sheet and we're going to put it in the oven for 200 degrees for 2 to 3 hours. If we have something else on the back side, you can sand that off later. The stem will be a little bit heavy before you put it in the oven, but when it comes out, it'll be much lighter. I took the stem out of the oven and it is a little lighter in weight. You can store these stems in a plastic bag. You'll be ready for your next fall project. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.